Hello everyone, my name is Depardo.art, and I've been an illustrator for over 20 years. I love drawing characters, and over the years, I've realized that for an illustration to feel complete, it's essential to create a background or details that complement the composition of my work. A good background doesn't just set the scene for the character, it adds depth and atmosphere, turning a simple illustration into a storytelling moment. But let's be honest, creating a background that fits the theme and style of your illustration isn't always a walk in the park. Finding references can be tedious and challenging when you're trying to figure out how to compose a background that fits the theme you have in mind. Sometimes, you know exactly what you want, but finding the right image or element feels like searching for a needle in a haystack. Other times, you're not even sure where to start, and that can really kill your creative flow. It's in these moments that many of us artists feel stuck, spending hours searching for something that might not even be what we need in the end. You can search for references on Pinterest, Google Images, or even use AI, but it can take hours to find the right fit. All this time spent looking for references, while sometimes inspiring, can also be downright frustrating because all you're thinking about is finishing your drawing. And let's not forget, sometimes the references you find aren't quite what you need, or they're not high quality enough, forcing you to improvise or settle for something that doesn't quite work. It's enough to drive anyone crazy, especially when you have a clear vision but can't seem to bring it to life. That's why I'm excited to introduce a collection of natural elements, trees, shrubs, and flowers for nature-themed landscapes. These elements have been carefully selected and designed, so you can easily and effectively use them in your compositions. With these files, you can compose more precisely and find the perfect complement to match the composition you're aiming for. Imagine having a library of resources at your fingertips, allowing you to create lush forests, blooming gardens, or desert landscapes with just a few clicks. Not only does this save time, but it also gives you the freedom to experiment with different combinations until you find the one that works best for your illustration. Helping artists find references more easily is the goal of this project. I know what it's like to spend hours searching for the perfect reference, and I want other artists to avoid that stress and focus on what really matters, creating. That's why I've put together this collection of natural elements. It's meant to be a practical and accessible tool to streamline the creative process. It's not just about saving time, it's about unlocking creativity by removing the barriers that hold us back. In this video, I'll show you all my work and share ideas on how to use these nature references to create the perfect background, helping you enhance your drawings. You'll see how these elements can be integrated into different styles, from realistic illustrations to more stylized or even abstract designs. Plus, I'll give you tips on how to combine these elements to create balanced and visually appealing compositions. By the end of the video, my goal is for you to feel inspired and equipped with the tools you need to take your illustrations to the next level. These images are pre-cut, so you can place them on your virtual canvas however you like, giving you the reference you need. Of course, the composition and execution of the drawing are entirely up to you, and you can adapt it to your unique style. This means that while I'm providing the elements, you have full control over how to use them. You can resize them, rotate them, or even tweak them to fit your vision perfectly. Flexibility is key here, as every artist has their own unique style and way of working. Let's just say, if you use these references, they could save you 50% of the time you'd normally spend finishing your piece, allowing you to focus on what really matters, adding details and coloring in your signature style. Imagine being able to spend more time perfecting your character's expressions, playing with light and shadow, or experimenting with different color palettes. With the background references taken care of, you can focus on what truly excites you, bringing your creations to life. Drawing is like solving a puzzle, and finding references for those missing details becomes much easier when you have a well-organized library of references in your folders. Organizing your resources is crucial for streamlining your workflow. When you know exactly where everything is, you can focus on the creative part without distractions. Plus, having a well-organized collection of references allows you to explore new ideas and combinations you might not have considered before. Think of this as an extra tool to make your creative process smoother. It's not about replacing your creativity, it's about enhancing it. Just like a carpenter needs their tools to carve wood, an artist needs their references to shape their ideas. This collection is just one of the many tools you can use to make your process more fluid and efficient. That's all for now. If you'd like to support my work, feel free to hit the like button, follow me on this channel, and check out the links in the description to my store and social media, where I share my projects. Thank you so much, and here's to more creative ideas.